Everybody, time to do construction number 17, which is constructing a segment proportional to three other segments. So in other words, we've got segments A, B, and C. I want to construct a segment X that is proportional. In other words, A over B is equal to C over X. And that's what our goal is. So we're going to have to draw this. So we have segments A, B, and C. We also need this angle, which is just a random angle, HIJ. It doesn't have to be of any size. I do want it to be big enough so that X doesn't go off the page. You notice in my initial X was right to the edge of the page there. So hopefully I won't have that happen again. All right, so we start off by marking off the length of segment A. Here, so I set A as a radius, come down here to I, and I mark off the length of A on ray IJ. Then I come back, set my radius to the length of B, come down here, and mark off B on ray J, and one last time we're going to mark off the length of C, but this time C goes on ray IH. So we now have copies of A, B, and C. These are points R right here. This is point S, and this is point T. So we now need to connect from R to T a segment, and we're going to make another segment that's parallel to RT starting at point S, okay, using construction number 4 to make parallels. So to make our parallels, I need an arc of any random size radius, and as long as it intersects RT and RI. Okay, so it needs to intersect RI and RT. So I set that arc, that radius, and I come down here and I recreate that same arc at point S. Now I go back and I set my radius as the intersection of these two, as the arc in the two sides. Okay, so right there. And we come down here to these, and we draw that same intersection. So now, when I draw through point S and that intersection, we're going to get a line that is parallel to RT. This is what we're now calling point U. And the distance from T to U is X. So this distance right here is X, and we have now constructed proportional segments. A over B is equal to C over X. This is true by angle. Triangle IRT is similar to triangle ISU. By angle. We created two congruent angles here, and they have common angle I. So the triangles are similar. So these sides are proportional. So that's construction number 17. Thank you very much.